Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jar vacuum sealer is probably one of the most useful kitchen gadgets for preserving the freshness and extending the shelf life of your favorite foods, from fruits and vegetables to leftovers and sauces. This video will help you find the perfect one to meet your needs and budget, covering key features, benefits, and factors to consider before making a purchase decision. Number 5. Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. It comes with two different sized seals to fit your needs. Simply place it on the jar, press the button, and it does the rest, automatically creating an airtight seal. The built-in LED display and single button make it incredibly easy to use. A full charge only takes 2 hours, giving you plenty of sealing time. It's made with high-quality, food-safe silicone and ABS plastic. The double sealing ring ensures an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh up to 10 times longer. This kit includes the sealer, 2 sizes of seals, mason jar lids, a charging cable, and instructions. It's perfect for preserving your food. For a perfect seal, avoid overfilling jars with liquid and ensure the lids are dry. This ensures proper air pressure for a successful seal. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll help you within 24 hours. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like? It's cordless and features a convenient LED display for ease of use. The food-grade materials ensure safe food storage. If you value convenience and safety, this is the perfect choice for your kitchen. What people say. It works great on both wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars, sealing them perfectly every time. It seems to work quite a while on a full charge, but of course that depends on how much and what type product you have in the jars. I like that it indicates how much charge is left in the batteries. The setup is straightforward, just position it on top of the jar lid, press the button, and within seconds you've got an airtight seal. I use it mostly for dry goods like oats, rice, and coffee beans, but it's also fantastic for preserving leftovers, prepped veggies, and even for fermentation projects like sauerkraut. Everything stays fresh noticeably longer, and the vacuum is strong enough to give me confidence that the seal is tight. Number 4. Electric Mason Jar Sealer. It has a large 2000 mAh battery, providing 30 days of standby time. A single charge allows for approximately 6 hours of continuous sealing, enough for about 400 uses. Made with easy-to-clean ABS plastic and food-grade silicone, it's a kitchen essential. It saves you money and time by preserving leftovers, reducing grocery trips. No more hand pumping. This electric sealer is one-touch operation with an LED screen to monitor the sealing process. It simplifies food preservation. It locks in flavor and freshness, extending the shelf life of many foods by more than 8 times. Keep snacks, coffee, and more fresh for 40+ days. It's cordless and portable, perfect for travel and camping. Its compact size makes it ideal for picnics and outdoor adventures. What we like? This boasts an incredibly long battery life, allowing for multiple uses on a single charge. Its easy-to-clean design makes maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for long-lasting freshness and minimal cleanup, this is for you. What people say. It's fully automatic, super easy to use, and works perfectly with both regular and wide-mouth mason jars. The compatibility with both wide and regular mouth mason jars makes it incredibly versatile. The vacuum sealing process is quick and efficient, ensuring airtight seals that help to preserve the freshness of my stored food items for an extended period. It is so easy to use, just the push of a button and small enough to be easily tucked away. The lids are completely sealed so your food stays fresh longer. Number 3. HiFan Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. It creates an airtight seal on your mason jars, keeping food fresher for longer. This is perfect for preserving your home canned goods or leftovers. It's compatible with both regular and wide-mouth mason jars, and works with many popular vacuum sealer brands. Just check for compatibility with your specific model. Seal your jars manually with the included pump. It's great for travel or picnics, providing freshness on the go. Remember not to attach the hose to the manual pump. The kit includes a handy bottle opener to easily remove and reuse your jar lids. It's also great for other bottles. The kit comes with everything you need: 2 jar sealers, hoses, a pump, lids, a bottle opener, and instructions. Plus, we offer 24/7 customer support. What we like? It includes a handy manual pump, perfect for travel or picnics. It's compatible with various vacuum sealers. If you need an affordable and portable option, this is a great choice. What people say. The accessories work with my Koyo's vacuum sealer machine, too. A great combo pack. It's quick and easy to use, and all of my jars have sealed and kept the seal so far. Super easy to use, over and over again. Number 2. FoodSaver Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. This comprehensive kit lets you easily vacuum seal your mason jars, keeping food fresh for longer. It's perfect for preserving your favorite homemade jams, sauces, or dry goods. It seamlessly integrates with your FoodSaver vacuum sealer for quick and efficient sealing. Simply attach the hose and let it do the work. Don't have a FoodSaver? No problem. The included hand pump allows you to create a vacuum seal manually, perfect for travel or picnics. Made from durable, BPA-free materials, it's safe, easy to clean, and built to last. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food is stored safely and hygienically. This kit includes everything you need: sealers for both regular and wide-mouth jars, extra lids, a handy lid opener, and a user guide. It's the perfect gift for any home cook. It creates an airtight seal, keeping food fresh, preventing odors, and protecting against moisture. Say goodbye to spoiled food and hello to longer-lasting freshness. What we like. It's compatible with FoodSaver machines and includes a manual pump for added versatility. The extra lids are a great bonus. If you already own a FoodSaver or want a backup manual option, this is ideal. What people say. With the hand pump, I don't have to bring out my vacuum machine for quick small vacuuming jobs. Sealing mason jars is easy. Amazing for dry goods. It's so easy to use, and the hand pump is great if you don't have vacuum sealer just yet. Hardly any cleanup and seals perfectly. This does a wonderful job sealing a jar of nuts, seeds, and other dried foods. Number 1. Yoobao Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. It's made of high-quality materials to create a superior vacuum environment for food storage. This effectively prolongs the freshness of your food, whether it's pickles, fruits, or snacks. This cordless vacuum sealer seals wide-mouth and regular-mouth mason jars and sous vide bags. It adds convenience and versatility to your food storage needs, perfect for home or travel. One-click operation makes it user-friendly for everyone. Its strong suction creates a great vacuum in just 20 seconds, freeing up your time. It features a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery for longer use and a built-in LED display to show battery status and operating time. Enjoy cordless convenience. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you need assistance, please contact us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution. What we like. This 3-in-1 model includes a can opener and comes with multiple bags and lids. It's a versatile all-in-one solution. If you want a comprehensive kit with added extras, this is the one for you. What people say. This product performs exactly as described. Its ability to seal bags and jars is unparalleled. This has been a game changer in our house to keep dry goods fresher longer. We literally put anything we open, coffee, nuts, pasta, beans, you name it, into jars and vacuum seal them. It comes with a can opener that you will definitely need to pop the lid on the jar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.